Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now in this video we will show you how to create a part using technical documentation. So we have one part here and we will use this data to create everything. So first let's click on new part, click OK, and let's just use this profile to create a revolve feature. So let's just create center line and let's just no, we don't have to do that, we'll just use mirror. So let's just create something like this. I think that's enough. Let's just create this center line. Great. Now let's add dimensions. So this is 0.58. This is 0.34. So 0.34. This diameter is 3.553. So 3.553, and this diameter is 3.195. 3.195. Great. And let's just add this fillet of 0.03 there. Click OK. Now let's just use mirror entities, select these and mirror about this line. Now let's just use revolve. Yes, why not? And let's choose this axis. Click OK. And now we have this kind of like a cookie. Okay. Now the next thing we want to add are these holes. So let's just create one hole and then we will use a circular pattern to make all of them. So let's just click on sketch on that plane and normal too, and let's just create this center line. Okay, now we have to do this. Okay, let's just create something like this. Okay, great. Now this angle here is angle between this line and this line is 45 degrees, and this dimension is 1.245. so this and that, 1.245. okay, now we have a fillet here. It's okay, so it's 0.25, so we have it there, and let's say 0.25. Click on that, click OK. Now let's just use mirror entities to mirror it, and let's add these other dimensions like 1.48 between, so this point and that point, 1.48. Great. Now let's just add this fillet here. Okay, let's say 0.25. Great. And now just add this dimension of 0.156. so let's create something like this, make these this line and this line parallel, and add this dimension of 0.156. 0.156. Great, now everything is defined. Let's just extrude cut through all, click OK, and there you have it. Now let's just really fast create this axis, click OK, and let's use that for circular pattern. Let's select this cut extrude and specify number of holes to 4, and there you go. Now the next thing we want to add is this hole. It's 0.261 and it goes all the way through, so just create a circle there and create it like that, and extrude cut up to next, click OK, and that's it. Now what else do we need to add? We need to have this hole here and these holes at the end. So for this we have dimensions there, yes, okay, and we have depth of 0.19 in this cross-section view. So let's just create one, and then we will use again circular pattern to create everything. Okay, so let's just add something like this, don't know, and let's just say this is 1.07, and the other one is 1.07, right? Okay, so this is 1.07, so it's defined, and we have this fillet of 0.03. Okay, let's click on it, and now let's just convert all of these edges that we need, and this circle as well. Now let's just add line there, and this one, and now let's just trim the rest of the lines. Okay, so that's it. Now let's just use our extrude cut of 0.19, click OK, and now let's just use circular pattern, select this axis and select this cut extrude 4 times. Great, and now let's just click on this, choose mirror, and let's try to make this mirror. Okay, so it works. Now the only thing left for us is to add these 4 holes, and these can be found in, let's just start it, hole wizard. Okay, so 4 times 0.012, so it's 1/4 of an inch hole, and it goes through all. So, and this diameter here, I think we have it somewhere defined. Yes, we have 1.461. Great, so let's go here, select this hole, and just choose, no, let's just choose this threaded hole and pick this one. Let's just find it here. So 1/4 20. Great, through all, nice. Let's just choose a position and let's put it like that. and add our dimension of 1.461. So 1.461. Click OK. And now let's just use this circular pattern here. Let's just select our axis once more and select this hole 4 times, and that's it. Now we have our part and everything is okay. Now let's just, yeah, definitely okay. Let's just save this. In this folder here, and let's call it exercise 3 part. Click on save and exit our file.